Yes, we'll start with it. Right. Today we have to start with these the examples, and after that we'll come up with these exercises how to work out with this kind of integration. Right. Yes. The first example is today. You can keep the integration formats with you. 2 cos x plus 3 over x minus square root of x dx. If you want to do this integration, this is pretty simple. What you need to do is you can say this integration you can write 2 cos x, and I will adjust this one in a way of where we can do this integration, right? So you can say this is, I just keep this answer 3 over x itself, and minus this one you can say x to the power half dx. Then we know that 2 integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x plus 3, 1 over x integration is to the ln x minus x to the power half integration is x to the power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. Then you can take this 2 up and you can write it 2 sin x plus 3 ln x minus 2 over 3 x to the power 3 over 2 plus c. This would be the final answer for this question. Right. Then let's go to the next question. The next question is just like this way. Cos x over sine squared x plus 2 e to the power, minus 2 e to the power x dx. When you want to do this integration, there is another extent where we can understand. That is, I will just write it as a theory. Then this is what? If you differentiate sec x, what is that answer for this? The differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Then if you integrate the both sides, what do you get today? If you integrate the both sides, you can say integration and differentiation get cancels. Integration of sec x tan x become the sec x. Similarly, this is the next formula where we should know. If you differentiate cosec x, what is the answer to this? That is minus cosec x cot x. Then I'll integrate the both sides with it. Then what you get here is this is cosec x. I can take minus out. This is cosec x cot x. Then you can say integration of cosec x cot x become minus cosec x. These formulas you should know. Then you can see in our integration formats where we have already learned in yesterday lesson today, there is no formula for this. Now you can simplify this equation somewhere like this today. Cos x over sin x into this is 1 over sin x minus 2 e to the power x dx. Right. Then we know that cos x over sin x is cot x. 1 over sin x is cosec x. That is exactly similar to the term over here. Minus 2 e to the power x dx, the integration. So this part of the integration you can say minus cosec x minus 2 e to the power x integration is e to the power x plus c would be the final answer for this. That is the way of doing this question. Right. If you have any doubt, please ask while this is going on. Right. Okay. Then yesterday theory today, the formulas where we have learned for the integration, you have to mark them. Whether later on we may need those. Right. Let's go to the next example. The next example is to integrate a to 3a. A to 3a, 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 over x dx. The question is given that the A is a positive constant, where this one is equal to ln 12, find the value for A. It's given by ln 12. We need to find the value for A. Let's see how to do this question. Right. Yes. Then if you need to do this integration, basically you cannot integrate a term like this, but you can simplify like this way. A and 3A, I can divide 2x by x is turned up to 2 plus 1 over x. If you simplify, because this is the denominator is just a single term, you can divide like this dx. I'm just doing this one. Finally, I just equate into ln 12. Integrate 2 is 2x plus 1 over x is ln x from a to 3a. Then if you substitute this a finite integration, if you substitute 6a plus ln 3a minus 2a plus ln a, then this is turned up to put 6a minus 2a is 4a plus ln 3a minus ln a. They have given this is ln 12. Find the exact value of a, right? Let's try to do this. Then if you simplify, you can understand that 4a plus ln 3a minus ln a, you can say ln 3a divided by a. Ln subtraction, you can write as a division. So this is 4a plus ln 3. Right. Then they have given 4a plus ln 3 is equal to ln 12. So simply you can say this is 4a is equals to ln 12 minus ln 3. That is 4a is equals to ln 12 divided by 3. 4a is equals to ln 4. Then a is equals to how much? Ln 4 divided by 4. You can keep the answer in this format, or other than that, 1 over 4 ln 4, that is ln 4 to the power 1 over 4. So that is ln root 2. If you are quite familiar with these simplifications, you can get this answer in this format as well. Right. That's a way of getting this answer. Right. I'll erase this one. This is you can get this as a recorded version. So I need to worry not spending time on that. So if any area is not clear, you can go thorough while we are referring with the video as well. So then the next, then if you have come up with the exercise 7a, exercise 7a, question number 1. A. The fact they are referring is 3 sec squared x. 3 sec squared x integration plus 5 over x plus 2 over square. Now we have a problem over here. How to integrate sec squared x? Then we know that the related the formula where we should know. If you differentiate tan x, what do you get with it? That is sec squared x. Then if you integrate both sides, what do you get with it? Tan x. That is the integration of sec squared x without tan x. These are the formulas where we should know. And if you differentiate cot x, answer is minus cosec squared x. Then if I integrate the both sides, what do you get? Cot x become minus integration of cosec squared x. That means you can say integration of cosec squared x equals to minus cot x. This is the next formula. So you should know these formulas properly. From this fact here we can get these answers. So this is 3 sec squared x integration is tan x plus 5 1 over x integration is ln x plus this part You have to consider this one as 2x to the power minus 2. That is 2x to the power minus 2 minus 1 over minus 1. Then you can say it is 3 tan x plus 5 ln x minus 2 over x plus 6 is the final answer for this. That's a way of doing this. If any section is not clear, please ask how you get this answer or anything. Any problem, it's your open. You can just ask while we are doing this, right? Okay. So nothing to worry. You just calculate this. Then the same question part B. Integration of 5 e to the power x minus 4 sin x minus 4 sin x plus 2x to the power 3. If you do this integration, that is 5 e to the power x integration is e to the power x itself minus 4 differentiation of sin x. So that is integration of sin x is minus cos x plus 2 x to the power 4 over 4 plus c. So this is 10 up to 5 e to the power x plus 4 cos x plus x to the power 4 over 2. 2 divided by 4 is 2 plus c is the final answer for this. That's a question. Right. The next question. Sin x minus cos x plus 6. Sin x minus cos x plus x dx. So this 2 is common for everything. Then you can consider 2 out and we can work out with the figures. 2 sin x integration is minus cos x. Minus cos x integration is sin x plus x integration is x squared over 2 plus 6. So you can write the answer minus 2 cos x minus 2 sin x plus x squared over 2 into 2 is x squared plus is the final answer for this. Right, so like that, you can do the question number 1. I'm just not going to do all the questions because you can manage with these things today. Then if you come up with the exercise 7a, question number 2. Similarly, you can do it today. So any doubts, you just forward me or ask in the next question. But you have to work out that is the requirement, right? So that's what. Anyway, but then this integration, this is a little bit extensions are there you to learn. 1 over cos squared x. 1 over cos squared x plus 1 over x squared. Then what you can understand from this integration is today, we know that we don't have any integration for cos squared x. 1 over cos squared x, we don't have any integration. But we know that cos squared x, 1 over cos squared x is equal to how much today? Sec squared x plus this one you can say x to the power minus 2 dx. Then sec squared integration. What is the sec squared integration? That is tan x plus x to the power minus 2 integration is x to the power minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. So answer is tan x minus 1 over x plus c is the final answer for this. That is the way of doing this question. Okay, let's move to the next question. Yes. Then the next question is question number 2. That is sin x over cos squared x. Sin x over cos squared x plus 2 e to the power x. So we know that sin x over cos squared x you can write sin in this part, you can say sin x over cos x into 1 over cos x. Sin x over cos x is tan x, 1 over cos x is sec x, plus 2 e to the power x. We have integration for sec x tan x. Integration of sec x tan x is, that is the sec x integration. That is, sec x is the answer, plus 2 e to the power x is e to the power x itself, plus it's the final answer for this. That's a way of getting this answer. Right. Then this is part B. Part C. Part C is 1 plus cos x over sin squared x plus 1 plus x over x squared dx. So in this situation, anyway, the same technique we use. So we can, since this denominator is just a single term, we can, what we can do here is we can divide the entire terms by sin squared x. 1 over sin squared x become cosec squared x plus cos x over sin x turn up into cot x cosec x. Cosec x plus 1 over x squared is x to the power minus 2 plus x over x squared is 1 over x is the part we have to integrate. Now let's see how to do this integration. The integration of cosec squared x. The integration of cosec squared x is minus cot x plus cot x cosec x integration is, what is that today? That is cosec x, sorry, minus cosec x plus x to the power minus 1 over minus 1. X to the power minus 2 integration is x to the power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 over minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 plus 1 over x integration is still on x plus c. So you can do this integration minus cot x minus cosec x minus 1 over x plus ln x plus c is the final answer for this. That's a way of getting this answer. Right. Yes. Then the next part of the question is integration of 1 over sin squared x plus 2 e to the power x dx. So you can do this, that is integration of cosec squared x, because we don't have any integration integration of a 1 over sin squared x plus 2 e to the power x. Cosec squared x integration is minus cot x plus 2 e to the power x plus is the final answer for this. This is part, I think, part B. Like that, yes, e to the power, say, if you come up with part E, that is the integration of sin x into 1 plus x squared x, 1 plus sec squared x. This is the point where the students made the mistake. What they do was they just integrated sin x minus cos x, and they integrated this one, x plus tan x. This is wrong. You cannot. This is wrong. What is the problem over here today? So you cannot do partially integrated like this, and you cannot multiply with it. Integration terms are just like this name. This is wrong. If you integrate some function into dx, you cannot write integration of fx into integration of gx. This is wrong. You cannot write like this. The reason is that like that you cannot integrate this separately and this separately. You cannot multiply. That is wrong. So what you need to do is initially we have to simplify this. Yeah. So that is the expand the brackets. Sin x plus sin x sec squared x. Integration of sin x, we have this answer, but the problem is that we don't have an integration for sin x sec squared x. Let's simplify this and see if we can get something. Sin x yeah. Okay. Then integration of sin x and sec squared x is 1 over cos squared x. Then you can say this is sin x over cos x into 1 over cos x. We already done this kind of integration before. That is tan x sec x. So this is turned up into integration of sin x plus sec x tan x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus sec x tan x is sec x plus c is the final answer for this. That's how it comes. Right. So if you happen to say, get that kind of questions, that's a way of doing that. Okay, right. Then same way you can do this questions in exercise 7a, question number 2 today. If you move up to 3, so nothing to worry. If you have it, if you come across any kind of hard questions in this exercise, please ask in the next session. Right? So we are not skipping the question. First, you have to try. If any question is inconvenient with you of doing it, definitely I'll help how to do it. Right? Then the next part is integration from 2 to 7 to e to the power x. Yeah, dx. Right. So in this case, this is a pretty simple integration. That is 2 e to the power x for my answer. 2 to 7, because e to the power x integration is e to the power x is 7. Then you can say this is 2 e to the power 7 minus 2 e to the power 2. So if you can take 2 out, e to the power 7 minus e to the power 2. This subtraction you can write it as no, that's all. So you cannot get further than that. Yeah, this is the final answer for that. This is part A. Part B. Part B is 6 over 1. 6 and 1. 1x, 1 plus x over x squared. 1 plus x over x squared. So this is a pretty simple concept. It's 1 over x squared integration plus 1 over x, 1 to 6. So if you integrate 1 over x squared, x to the power minus 1 over minus 1 plus this is ln x to the. So that is minus 1 over x plus ln x from 1 to 6. So if you substitute 6, it's minus 1 over 6 plus ln 6 minus 1 over 1 plus ln 1. So this is minus 1 over 6 plus ln 6 minus 1 is plus 1, ln 1 is 0. So this is turned up to 5 over 6, addition of these 2 plus ln x is the final answer for this group. That's the way of getting this answer. Right. So the same way you can check with the other questions also in this exercise 7a, question number 3. Yes, this is the technique we are used to do this kind of finite integration. You just substitute and get it with it. Right. Then if you come up with a question number 4 with it. Question number 4 is they have given 2a to a. 2a to a, 3x minus x over x. 3x minus 1 over x dx. They have given this value as 6 plus ln half. 6 plus ln half. We need to find the value for a. That is the requirement of this question. The same, we have just practiced one question in the examples as well. You need to do the same technique. You can just do a to 2a. 3x over x is 3 minus 1 over x dx. this is similar to 3x minus ln x from a to 2a. Right. Then I think the writing is not much clear. It's 2a. Right. If you do this, this is turned up to 2a minus ln 2a minus substitution is 3a. Sorry, this is 6, I think. 6. 2a into 3x is 6. X is to replace 6 minus ln a to the. Then you can say 6a minus 3a is 3a minus ln 2a plus ln a to the. So this is turned up to 3a plus ln, because a divided by 2a. You can write in this because ln, the subtraction of ln means it's a division. That is 3a plus ln half. They have given this fact is this people. This is equals to 6a plus ln half. So this ln half and ln half get cancelled. So simply you can say 6a equals to 6, not 6a plus 6. 6 equals to 3a. Therefore, you can say 6 a is equals to 2. Simply you can get this answer. That's a way of doing this kind of situation. Right. Okay. Then question number 5. Yeah. Also the same way you can do that question. And yes. If you move up to question number 6 to then. Question number 6 is this. That's the integration of 2 to b 3e to the power x plus 6e to the power minus 2x, 6e to the power minus 2x. They have given this answer as 0. We need to find the answer for b. So if you just do this integration 2b, so this is not straightforward. You can do this integration 3 e to the power x is e to the power x plus 6 e to the power minus 2x. Integration is to the e to the power minus 2x into 1 over 2. 1 or minus 2 into minus 1 over 2 e to the power 2x minus 2x. How does it came to be? If you integrate e to the power ax plus b, answer is 1 over a e to the power ax plus b. Here a is minus 2, so it's 1 over minus 2 e to the power minus 2x. 2 into b. Right. It's a factor I have to understand. Right. If you substitute b, 3 e to the power b, 6 divided by minus 2 is minus 3 e to the power minus 2b. Minus 2 substitution is 3 e to the power 2. 6 minus 3 e to the power minus 4. Right. The substitution of b and 2 put it. Yeah. Then this is turned up to you cannot do anything further. So you can say 3 e to the power b minus 3 over e to the power 2b. You can write in this way. Minus 3 e to the power 2 plus 3 e to the power minus 4. And then you can say 3 over e to the power 4. This is equals to 0. Then what you can understand is relation. 3 e to the power b minus 3 e to the power 2. Then if you take 3 out, sorry. Yeah, minus, if you take minus 3 out, this is turned up to 1 over e to the power 2b minus 1 over e to the power 4. To make this into 0, now you can see if b is equals to 2. If b is equals to 2, this term get cancels with this term. If b is equals to e to the power 4 and e to the power 4 also get cancels. So therefore, simply you can say answer is equals to 2. So to make it 0, you can understand there's some kind of relationship. Other than that, we have to make a big formula and formulate it. But other than that, it's pretty simple. If you want to cancel out into 0, you can say these two terms should be cancelled. How can be? If b is equals to 2, these two terms get cancelled. If you again b equals to 2, these two also get cancelled. Like that, you can find some kind of internal techniques to simplify this kind of question.